here. I'm feeling kind of inspired and maybe a little bit hungry. I wanted a healthy dessert. So I'm starting out with the Wusthof knife that I learned how to use properly and hold properly. And I found some beautiful colors of fresh produce. What I really want to tell you about is a sneak peek. This is a sneak peek right now for what we're putting on special this weekend. So it's our Mango Ginger Vinaigrette, and we've also got a Chocolate Vinaigrette that we're putting on special this weekend. If you see this and mention it, you'll get it the special. You can get that tonight or tomorrow. You don't have to wait for the weekend. But I wanted to show you a way to use the Mango Vinaigrette. Get some beautiful fresh fruit, whatever you like. It didn't take me long to get this all together. I put up some fun little martini glasses because I just don't get those out too often. And you just put your fresh fruit in there, cut it up. Whatever your favorite stuff is. The kiwi would be kind of nice with this too. I kind of, oops, oh, okay, yep, put it on the cutting board. There we go. Just dice up your fruit, whatever colorful fruit you want. Put it into your martini glass or whatever wine glass or goblet that you have. Throw in a few strawberries for color. See, I'm doing 3 glasses because I have 2 friends and myself. So put those together. Did I miss anything? Got the pears? Okay. Finish it up with a little sprig of mint on each one for a splash of color. These vinaigrettes are all ready to go. Just give them a little shake. Make sure the lid's untight before you shake it. You only do that once, you know. And then just drizzle a little bit of the Mango Ginger Vinaigrette over the top. Try not to dribble on the tablecloth. Maybe do it not on the tablecloth. And there they are. Delightful. Now, a twist on this, if you want to do the chocolate and vinaigrette, put a little ice cream on this. Don't do the mango ginger with it. That'd be kind of gross. But do maybe a little ice cream in first, then your fresh fruit, and then a little bit of the chocolate vinaigrette. It's really nice, especially with strawberries. You could just do the strawberries, ice cream, and this chocolate vinaigrette. Fantastic, quick, easy, pretty healthy dessert. So, again, mention this, that you saw this, and come down and get this. These are $4 only for a whole pint of vinaigrette. So just our kind of end of summer, let's have some fun after 913 day, which is today. And I want to remind you, oh no, great prop. Okay, here we are, 913 day, September 13th. We put our soups on special for $9.13. We've got a lot of good soups left, although some folks came in and took advantage of that. They got their freezer stocked up already this morning, but we still got great soups left. Let's see, there's still Plaza 3 steak soup and some homestyle chicken noodle, creamy seafood chowder, some amazing vegan gumbo. It really is amazing. And marvelous mushroom soup and harmonious ham and bean soup. I think that's the ones I can remember, but we've still got plenty of soups left, and we're open till 8 o'clock this evening because it's Retail Therapy Thursday here in downtown OP, Overland Park, Kansas. So come down and join us. Check out the other shops around in our neighborhood right here in our area of 913 and see what we have to offer for you. Hope to see you tonight before I close at 8. Hurry!